Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products and training courses, basically including anything that will help you make money online. If your intention is to make money online on my channel, I come up with programs and products that will help you do that. I review them actually. Anyone that I notice that is going to help you make money online. Today I have another software to review to you, and this one is called Onyx. Onyx is going live on the 19th of August 2022 at 21st of August 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you, which of course is 4 p.m. GMT and 5 p.m. Central European Time. And this one is being launched by the super affiliate Billy There and his partners. And of course, in a nutshell, this one, he says that this one is a new AutoPilot backdoor method that exploits $18 billion market for 1 hour, $100 per hour. Of course, payouts in 20 minutes flat. And of course, this may be, it may take more than that, but naturally, this is what the sales page of this very one says. And of course, we have every reason to believe Billy Dar because of his antecedents. Actually, if this is going to be one product you're going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. And of course, I will encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and of course use the bell icon for notifications so that you will not miss any content that I upload on my channel. With that said, this is my bonus page. If you click that link below in my description area, that first link is going to bring you to this very sales page of mine. I am very excited. And when you get to the bonus page of mine, you will be able to grab a copy with this or any of the other links. Of course, this color blue, sky blue, scattered all over this page. When you click any of them, they will take you to the sales page where you are going to get actually a $4 discount on this very Onyx front end, and that means it will go $4 cheaper than the original price, and that means you'll be able to get it at a cheaper price. And with that said, you can always be assured that I'm going to show you, of course, the very members area of this very software, so that you will see exactly how the training area is structured. And this is the members area. Here you have the training, my site, find jobs, hire agencies. We are going to come into details with this, but now let's go more and talk about what benefits you have here. What is Onyx all about? Onyx, like I said, is a new AutoPilot backdoor method that exploits a $18 billion market for $1 per hour payouts, to which they have been getting from beta testers and all that in 20 minutes flat. And of course, you do this without any skills, any risk or experience or any kind of effort. I want to sort of say that in everything that is good, there is a degree of effort, and that effort means going through the training. So do not take that for granted. You have to put in a little bit of work to make this work. At least get trained on how you can put it yourself. And of course, they say they get paid doing zero work, 100% brand new to Warrior Plus, and get results in 20 minutes flat, maybe more than that, from my own assessment and experience. And zero tech skills needed, zero tech needed, but you will go through this training. Fully automated app does it all for you, and of course, no experience or skill needed, and works for anyone, anywhere on this globe. So that's what you have as the product itself, definition of it, and what it does for you. And now let us go into the price for Onyx. A front end price for Onyx goes for $17. Like I said, if you are on the sales page, when you click that link, any of those links on my bonus page, they will bring you here to the sales page where you can claim a copy for yourself using this blue link, and definitely you have it for $13. If the front end is $17, definitely you'll be able to get it for $14. So now the upsell number one for Onyx is the unlimited edition for Onyx, and it goes for $97. And the unlimited edition of Onyx allows customers to enjoy unlimited usage and unlimited free traffic and more. And of course, that's what you have it for $97. That's something, and naturally it's advisable to get the unlimited version so that you will have all the unlimitedness of this very Onyx product. Now that's what you have there. My upsell number two will be for Onyx will be the done for you setup. This done for you setup, I believe, goes for $297, and the unlimited edition, in this upgrade of Onyx done for you setup, you will have the Attain set up the software for you and for your customers. Okay, and that's what you have as upsell number 2. Upsell number 3 will be AutoPilot edition. It goes for just $39, and your customers will be able to activate all the automation tools within Onyx. And upsell number 4 will be 200 done for you campaigns edition, and that goes for $39 as well, and your customers will get 200 done for you proven money making campaigns that made them $50,000. That's what the creator is saying. So it's for us to know when you eventually go through the training and implement this. Now, upsell number 5 for Onyx will be the franchise edition, which goes for $197, and your customers in this case will get bumped up to 85% across the entire funnel with additional tutorials on how to promote the funnels to make sales. And these are amazing information here, and here are the amazing benefits you have. 365-day money back guarantee, and then it makes you, according to Billy there, live the laptop lifestyle and can work for anyone anywhere in the world. And it has a 365-day, a whole year money back guarantee. And now let us take a look at the amazing bonuses that I have for you. Super mega bonuses that will blow your mind. Definitely, you have so much of them. I don't want to waste your time. I want to give you the bonuses right away before we go into the sales page, and of course go into the members area review. Now my first bonus for this page will be, I have 2 pages of bonuses that will blow your mind. Definitely you should stick with me. Now this one is the product vault, which has 17 amazing bonuses that are state-of-the-art, software and training courses that will teach you how to actually make money online starting from scratch. That's what you have. Amazing mega premium bonus from me. Bonus number 2 for me will be the 3 monetization strategies, which is how to monetize your channel, of course, websites, or anything you want to monetize. These strategies will help you do them and implement them and get them working for you as early as today. Now, my bonus number 3 for this page will be premium bonus again, which is how to rank any site on page number 1 on Google. And you can imagine what that means. It means you are having the feasibilities that you need to actually get the clicks that will convert to making money for you online. So that's basically what you have as my bonus number 3. My bonus number 4 will be the mega super bonus that I call the commission toolbox. In this commission toolbox, you have over 1,000 tools, online and digital marketing tools. Any capability you want online, you will have a link under this very number 4 bonus of mine to actually do that. Automation links, backlink, monetization links, everything that you want, it's included in these tools. Without tools, you can't operate offline or online. So this is basically what this one does. You have over a whopping 1,000, over 1,000 of them actually. So you have no business not getting this very bonus. Now that's what you have as my number 4. My number 5 will be affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. If you are looking to make money as an affiliate marketer, which is a business model that puts you between the customers, the audience, and of course the creator and producer of a product, and of course you have your commission as much as 50 to 75%, sometimes 85%, most times even 100%. So this is the best business model because you don't handle incentives, you don't handle ventures, you don't have nothing to handle. All you do is to be the middleman between these 2 parties, and then you make your own commission. So that's amazing. So this is going to teach you how to actually become an affiliate marketer, a successful one at that. So with that said, like I told you, if you click any of these links, they will take you to the sales page where you get the discount on this, and of course when you do, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account where you are going to purchase this product. And under your purchase history, after you buy this product, you will have a page that looks like this under your purchase history with 2 buttons. The green one gives you access to your purchase, and this blue one below, it will definitely give you access to the amazing bonuses that I've just shown you. And if you stick with me, definitely I will show you also the amazing second page of bonuses that I have for you. which is this. And in this one, you will be able to have my first bonus for this page as latitude, a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits, and this deals with the NFTs and non-fungible tokens, which you can make money with the, of course, digital ads on blockchain exchange. So that's what you have there, and you will be able to actually make money using this, and including the training that comes with it. My bonus number 2 for this one will be TweetX, which is how to crack the Twitter traffic. Is an extension, a Google extension, that you have there as your bot that works silently to siphon traffic to your offers and your links, including affiliate links. Okay. Bonus number 3 for this page will be the Insurgency, which is how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. I mean, this is a super product from Jonah Armstrong and Brendan Merce, and of course you will be able to actually make use of that for yourself. Sorry about that. And then of course you have my bonus number 4 for this page as Lazy Traffic Sniper, and this is how to access free buyer traffic on AutoPilot, and of course you'll be able to make money within that and lazily siphoning traffic from different sources to your offers, websites, landing pages, sales page, whatever is out there you want to do. Now my bonus number 5 will be the JavaScript commission bot, which is a bot that is going to help you figure out how to make 4-figure daily commissions. A super training at that, and a software that goes with it. Now my bonus number 6 for this one will be the lockdown formula, which is how to start and scale digital marketing as a novice. You will be able to start and learn how these things work depending on the niche that you choose. So it's a crazy, amazing opportunity you have here. And like I told you, this very page will be sent to you by email because it's not linked to my Commission Gorilla and the bonus page that is going to find on the Warrior Plus under your purchase history. So I will send it when eventually you buy this product using my link, and that link that I will send to you will expose you to all these amazing opportunities. Now let us actually take a look at the very members area before we go to the sales page. Like I told you, this is the training, the button where you get actually the training, and here you look at your sites and find jobs, hire agencies, payment gateways, import accounts, social posting. In case you want to post socially, you'll be able to do so using this very button and see what you have as a multimedia post, CTA posts, carousel, and of course video posts. So these are social links that you have with this one, and of course you have the comment growth tools, social blast, which will definitely put you on further on the social level with Facebook Messenger, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, and of course you have all the rest of them. The list is basically loaded, even LinkedIn, and a lot of them actually, as you can see. Let us see if we can scroll and see some of the options you have, which is going to be used to blast to these very opportunities on social media, and you will be able to make your get the traffic that you need to actually get the money made. And then here you have the email broadcasting, which you have contact template for the email, just like Get Response and Airweber, and you have the broadcast campaign, opt-in form builder, and sequence. I like this. I like this, because it makes it very easy. And here you have the SMS broadcasting, which gives you the opportunity to also have your SMS contacts here. You have your template, you have your broadcast campaign, and opt-in form, building form, and sequence campaigns, so that you can sequence these very campaigns, and which means you have the capability to actually build lists and send this very capability to all your subscribers on your newsletter. Okay, so it's really encouraging to know that this is possible with this very one. So that's what you have, as long as these ones are concerned. And the most important thing is to go through the training, because with the training you will be able to actually get all the information you need on how you can set this up and make it effective for you. And these are videos that you will soon be able to have access to. Okay, and here you have what is drop servicing, how to start a drop servicing business, how to create drop servicing site, how you can make profit with it, and all that. So basically that's what you have as the training is concerned. And then with that we will leave the members area. when you get here, you'll be able to access it yourself. Now let us scroll a little bit on the sales page, where you're going to have $4 discount on the front end, which makes it now $13 for you. So let us scroll together and see if we can access some of the information there, and then of course at your convenience you'll be able to have access to this one and see if making up your mind is what you need with the information on the sales page. So I will definitely make sure that we click and see if we can just go through it briefly, so that I can leave that to you. When you eventually come here, you'll be able to read for yourself, and definitely this is gradually going to be where we are going to call it an end to this one. At your convenience, you'll be able to continue through the scrolling and of course read through what you have there. But for now, let us just scroll through the amazing bonuses that I have for you on this page. And of course, you have the other page that is loaded with software and training courses that are still selling on Warrior Plus. And then I'm talking about these very ones which you have here, and they are going to be waiting for you, because I will send them by email for you, and then you will be able to sort of have them at your convenience. Okay, that's what I have for you for today on my bonuses. You can't get anything like this anywhere else, and at this point, like I said before, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, so that you'll be one of the very first persons to actually get notified when I upload any content on my channel. With that said, I will come, and we shall come to the end of this one. I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here is goodbye, guys.